Good morning, guys, everyone. Welcome to the session. Today, we are going to do another chapter. We are going to do the chapter episode number 2 of motion class 9th average speed and average velocity. Okay, so let's begin with this session today, guys. My voice is not visible, so don't worry, it will come. Let me change the slide. Okay, yes, so this was the full. We have last time completed distance displacement, this time on this average speed and then acceleration and numerical next session, and these all are session again. So distance completed. Now average speed and average velocity. Let's move. So first, going before it, let's see the flashback of the previous chapter. An athlete complete one round of a circular track whose diameter is 200 meter in how much second? 30 seconds. Now you have to find the distance that is covered by the athlete at the end of 30 seconds. Okay, so correct answer is 628 meter. Okay, now a ball he's thrown upwards 100 meter. How much? 100 meter height, and comes again down. What is the net displacement? 200, 100, 0, 550 meters. Sorry, the correct answer is 0 meter because there is no displacement in this. Net displacement, nothing is there because see, only one way is there. He is coming go and see down. There is no way in the between, so 0 meter. Okay, a distance that is moved and the magnitude of a displacement are equivalent. Earth revolving around the sun, object moving in a path, pendulum moving to and fro, object moving on a straight road. The correct answer is object moving on a straight road. Now, homework question of the previous session. A worker cover a distance of 40 km from his house to his place of work and 10 km towards his house back. Then the displacement covered by the worker in the whole trip is. That was a homework question. Now the correct answer is 30 km. Okay. Now, speed is used to measure how fast an object is measured. Okay. Now, can you define what is speed? It is the change in the position of an object with respect to the time. It is action of change in location of position. It is distance covered by an object per unit time. The correct answer it is of distance covered by an object per unit time. It is the change in the position of an object with respect to time. This is the motion definition. ओके, मोशन डेफिनेशन था, मैंने पहला आउट कर दिया. सेकंड ऑप्शन ये एक ऑप्शन कहीं है भी नहीं कोई डेफिनेशन. थर्ड ऑप्शन बचा है बस, लास्ट वही होगा. मैथमेटिकली आपको स्पीड फाइंड करना था, क्या करते हो? सिंपल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम कर देते हो. बट ये एसआई यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड होती है किलोमीटर सेकेंड, मीटर सेकेंड, माइल्स पर सेकेंड, मीटर एमएस. क्या होती होता है ये? करेक्ट आंसर मीटर पर सेकेंड. ना एक रॉकेट है. क्या है? एक रॉकेट है. मुझे ड्राइंग अच्छी नहीं, थोड़ा आप देख लीजिएगा. ये एक रॉकेट है जो कवर करता है 40 किलोमीटर कितने में? 50 सेकेंड्स में. तो उसकी स्पीड क्या हुई? 8000 किलोमीटर मीटर पर सेकेंड, मीटर पर सेकेंड, 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. करेक्ट आंसर इज 8000 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सॉरी, एक एयरक्राफ्ट कवर करता है 40 किलोमीटर 10 सेकेंड में. स्पीड क्या हुई रॉकेट की? 4000 मीटर, 40,000 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 40 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Correct answer is 4000 meter per second. Now compare. We will compare the speed of rocket and aircraft. Which is really faster? Obviously, rocket will cover same distance in the lesser time. Means rocket will be faster. Now, a person is there who walks 20 meter east in 5 seconds. Another person named B walks 20 meter in west 5 seconds. Is the speed for both the person same? Yes or no? Yes. How? See, let me tell you this question. He is going 20 meter in the 5 second. He is going 20 meter west. Only difference is the east and direction only, nothing else. So they will correct. Is their motion same? No, their motion is not same. So that their directions are different, so their motion will be also different now. A quantity which is specified both speed and direction is called velocity. मैथमेटिकली आपको वेलोसिटी फाइंड करनी हो तो सिंपल क्या करोगे, डिस्प्लेस अपॉन टाइम कर दोगे, ठीक है। एक पर्सन वो ए से बी तक जाता है एक स्ट्रेट लाइन इन 5 मिनट्स, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी इज 3 किलोमीटर, फाइंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पर्सन। 3 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम ए टू बी, 10 मीटर फ्रॉम ए टू बी, 5 मीटर सेकेंड फ्रॉम 10 मीटर सेकेंड फ्रॉम बी टू ए। This question is your homework question. So I have not covered much in this session, but that much only. See, now let us take a second. Consider a person taking laps of 100 meters each. The following table gives us a time in person cover per lap. Now let us quickly find out his speed in every lap. See, we observe that the person has a constant speed. Okay guys, so that was for today's session. We will meet in the next session. Bye.